If you're holding crypto and it's not earning you anything, you're leaving money on the table every single day. Now, there are tools out there that claim to fix this: automated yield, auto compounding, all the buzzwords. But here's what none of them tell you: they're charging you 2 to 6% every single time they rebalance your position, and they rebalance constantly. I built something that eliminates the swap entirely. Let me show you how. Quick context for anyone new to this: Uniswap v3 and protocols like it let you earn trading fees by providing liquidity. You pick a price range, deposit your tokens, and every time someone trades through your range, you earn a cut. The tighter your range, the more you earn. When the price moves outside your range, you stop earning. So most automated LP tools rebalance you. They pull your liquidity out, swap your tokens at the current price, and open a new position. Sounds reasonable, but let me tell you what that swap actually costs. Here's the breakdown. Swap fees, 0.5% to 1%. Slippage, 0.5% up to 5%. MEV attacks, that's bots front running your swap, another fraction of a percent. And then the big one, crystallized impermanent loss, 1 to 3%. Add it all up, 2 to 6% lost on every single rebalance. And these tools rebalance multiple times a week, sometimes multiple times a day. You think you're earning yield, but the rebalancing is eating you alive. Most people never realize it because no one shows them the real cost. So here's what Snuggle does differently. And this is the core idea. Once you get this, everything clicks. We never swap your tokens, ever. That means zero swap fees, zero slippage, and zero MEV. Here's how it works. When the price moves and leaves your range, traditional tools panic and swap at the extreme price, locking in the loss. Snuggle doesn't do that. We take your position and snuggle it up to the current price. We place the edge of your range right where the price is now. No swap, no trade, just a repositioning. And here's where it gets clever. When the price naturally drifts back, which it usually does in the short term because crypto tends to mean revert, the AMM automatically rebalances you. You're buying back exposure at gradually improving prices, and the whole time you're earning trading fees. Let me show you this on the site. You can see it right here. Traditional swaps at extreme prices, crystallizes impermanent loss immediately, costs 2 to 6% per rebalance. Snuggle, no swaps ever, defers the impermanent loss instead of locking it in. And our only fee is 0.15% per rebalance. Now, to be upfront, impermanent loss still exists. We don't eliminate it, but we defer it instead of crystallizing it, which in mean reverting markets, where the price bounces around rather than going straight in one direction, often reduces it significantly. And if the price does keep trending without coming back, you're no worse off than traditional. But in the more common scenario, you come out ahead. We built a backtesting simulator. And this isn't your typical estimated APY number pulled out of thin air. This uses 365 days of real historical data. hourly price resolution, and the part no one else has. Daily pool APY snapshots derived from actual trading volume, TVL, and feed data from each pool. No other protocol offers this level of backtesting accuracy. Let me run one right now. I'll pick wrapped ETH / USDC 0.3% fee tier. This is our best performing pool. Default settings, 365 days. And let's see what happens. Look at that. The backtest shows 74% annual return for this pool. And remember, this backtest period covers one of the most volatile years in crypto history, including a brutal bear market. Most LP strategies got destroyed during that period. And that's just one pool. Across all our pools, the backtests show 20 to 80% annual return. Now, these are backtested results, not a guarantee. Past performance doesn't predict the future, but the data is real. The methodology is rigorous, and you can verify every number yourself. And by the way, this backtester is completely free. You don't need a wallet. You don't need to deposit anything. You can come here right now and verify every number yourself before risking a single dollar. Link is in the description. Let me show you how simple it is to actually start. You connect your wallet, which I've already done. We're on base chain. Pick a pool. We've got Bitcoin, ETH, stablecoins, the major pairs. And here's the thing. Each pool already has optimized default settings loaded in. These come directly from those 365-day backtests I just showed you. You don't have to configure anything if you don't want to. If you do want to customize, you've got range width, rebalance delay, auto compound, all right here. But the defaults are already dialed in for you. And here's something important. You can deposit a single token. Just USDC, just ETH, just Bitcoin, because we don't swap. We can accept a single-sided deposit and just set the range accordingly. We call it snuggling in. You can also deposit both tokens if you already have them. And here's a real position. I have two positions I just opened up an hour or two ago just for this to show you. These are Bitcoin USDC and wrapped ETH USDC. So here's the wrapped ETH USDC 0.3% fee tier that I just showed you in the backtest. You can see the earnings in real time. Fees collected, earnings rate per day, APR, whether I'm in range. We also have a true ROI tracker that shows exactly how the position performs versus holding. This is all live, real data. Quick fire, everything else you need to know. Works on Uniswap v3, Aerodrome, and PancakeSwap, all on base. Non-custodial, your funds stay in your control. No lockups, withdraw whenever you want. Auto compound is built in. It's smart about it too. It compounds the fees that match your position and sends the rest straight to your wallet as cash flow. You can use Snuggle as a fee-earning limit order. Deposit a single token at your target price, turn off auto snuggle, and it works like a limit order that pays you while you wait. That's free too. No protocol fee if there's no rebalance. Our only fee is 0.15% per rebalance. That covers the automation costs. Deposits, withdrawals, harvesting, compounding, all free. And we have a referral program. Share your link, earn 0.05% on every rebalance from anyone you refer forever. So go to snuggle.fi/backtest. Run the numbers yourself. Don't trust me. Don't trust any protocol. Verify with data. That's the whole point. Link in the description. This is the first video on this channel. I'll be posting real position performance updates, strategy deep dives, and behind the scenes of building a DeFi protocol. If that sounds interesting, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.